entirely on what goes in. If you're only shopping for things like raw meat and raw fish, for example, then there's no charge. But if you add a single item that's not exempt, like this bag of rice, for example, the carrier bag now costs 5 pence. And you can still get free plastic bags if you go to a small business with fewer than 250 employees.
It's going to add to the confusion, it will lessen the impact. It would have been so much simpler if we had just adopted the same regulations as in the rest of the UK.
Online shoppers will also be charged unless they select the bag-free delivery option. Or you could always just carry everything by hand.
Yeah, don't need the bag. That's the